students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 3.6 of class 6 chapter number 3, that is playing with numbers. So here the exercise 3.6 is totally based on HCF, that is highest common factor. So we will do the first question. We have to find the HCF of the following numbers. Here it is given two numbers, so what we will do, we will calculate the factors for that. 18 is given, okay. So we have to see the prime factors. The smallest prime factor is 2. So we will divide with 2 here. So 2 9s are 18. Now 9 will not go by 2. So we will divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So this is the prime factor of 18. Now come to the 48. Here the last digit is 8. Okay. So we will divide with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 6s are 12. Again 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Okay. So here I am writing factors of 18. 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's? 4. 4 2's and 1 3. So here we will see which are the common factors. So this 2 is common and 1 3 is common here. Okay. So HCF will be 2 into 3, that is 6. So 6 is the highest common factor of these two numbers. So like this we will calculate for the B part, that is 30 and 42. So we will divide, we will factorize, prime factorization we will use for the HCF. Okay. So here last digit is 0. So we will divide this with 2. 2 15s are 30. Now I will sum digit. 5 plus 1 is 6. So it will go by 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors 2 3 5. 1 will not come in the prime factorization. Okay. If you write the factors of some number, so you will write 1, but in the prime factorization you should not do the, means you should not write this 1 as a factor. Okay. Only prime numbers should be there. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So I am getting here 3. So it will divide by 3. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Okay. So here factors of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Here 42, 2 into 3 into 7. So here you can see 2 and 3 is the factors, common factors. So HCF will 2 3s are 6. HCF is 6. Now come to the C part. Likewise here also 18. We are done 18 with prime factorization of 18 in A part. Okay. Like that only 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Here 60. From smallest to greatest prime factor we have to use for division. So here 2 30s are. Here the divisibility test will be follow. 2 15s are, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Okay. So here 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 30 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So here 2 is common, 3 is common. So here also HCF is equal to 6. Okay. Come to the D part here. 27 and 63. So both is divisible by 3, not by 2. So we will prime factorize by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. This is the prime factorization for 27. Now for 63, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So this is the prime factorization. So HCF, here you can write the factors first. 27, 3 into 3 into 3, 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. So here I am getting this one. Okay, this is the common. So 3 3s are 9. HCF is equal to 9 here. Now come to the E part here, 36 and 84. So we will 36. So last digit is 6. So it will divide by 2. That is the smallest prime number. So 2 1s are 2. 1 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 9s are 18. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 84. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. So here you can see this 2 and this 2 is common. This 2 and this 2 is common. This 3 and this 3 is common. Okay. So what will be the HCF? Here HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, that is 4 3s are 12. So here HCF is equal to 12. Okay students, let's see F part here. 34 and 102, same, you have to prime factorize the both and the common factor will be the HCF. Here 2 1s are 2, 1 14, 2 7s are 14, 17 1s are. Okay, here 102, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 17s are 51, 17 1s are. So here 2 and 17 is the common. Okay, you should write the factors then like this you have to write. Okay, not here you have to circle. Okay, 2 into 17 and 102 is 2 into 3 into 17. So 2 is the common and 17 is common. So 17 2s are 34, right? 34 is the HCF for this number. Now come to the G part. Here we had find the HCF for the two numbers. Now it is the question for three numbers. So what we have to do? For the three numbers you have to factorize separately the three numbers, then you have to write the common factors, that will be the HCF. Okay, here 70, 2 3s are 6, 1 10, 2 5s are 10. Here 5 7s are 7 1s are. Now 105, 5 plus 1 is 6, so it will go by 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 1 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 7s are 7 1s are. 175, 7 plus 6 is 13, so it will not go by 3, it will go directly by 5. 5 3s are 15, 6 7 25, 5 5s are 25. Now again 5 7s are 7 1s are. Okay, so here you have to write all the factors, prime factors, not the factor, these are the prime factors. Simply factors, if it is given that simply you have to write the factors, so you have to include one also. Here it is the prime factorization, so you should write only the prime factors. Okay, so here 2 into 5 into 7, 105, 3 into 5 into 7, 175, 5 into 5 into 7. So what I am getting here, 5 and 7 is the common in all three. So HCF is 5 7s are 35 is the HCF for these three numbers, right? Now come to the H part. Here 91, it will not go by 2, not by 3, 9 plus 1 is 10, not by 3, not by 5 because it is not 0 or 5 in the last digit, not by 7, can it go by 7? 7 1s are 7, 8 9 21. Yes, 7 1s are 7, 8 9 21, 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 and 13, so 13 1s are 13. Okay, so 7 and 13 is the prime factors. 112, last digit is 2, so it will divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. These are the factors for 112. Now come to the 49. 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So you have to write like this. Okay, I am not writing, you should write in a proper manner like this for the exams. Okay, so here you can see that 7 is the common in all the 3. Okay, so HCF of these 3 numbers equal to 7. So this is the question number 1. We had left with 2 parts. Okay students, let's see I part here. Here also the 3 numbers is given, we have to prime factor it. 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. These are the factors. Now 54, 2 2s are 4, 1 14, 2 7s are 40, 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, 81. So it will not go by 2. So we will sum the digits. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. So here 3 2s are 6, 1 7 8 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factors. So you have to write like this: 2 into 3 into 3, 54, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is this 3 3s are, sorry, I left with 18. Okay, this have only 2 3s, so these are the common. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. HCF is equal to 9 for this numbers. Now come to the J part. Here 12, 45 and 75 is given. So as it is, prime factors you have to calculate. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Okay, these are the prime factors. Now 45, it will go by 3. 3 15s are, 3 5s are and 5 1s are. 75, 75. So 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 12 is coming, so it will go by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 1 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Like this you have to write all the factors, and you can see what are the, here 3 is common in all 3. Okay, what else? Nothing. So here HCF is equal to 3. Okay students, let's come to the next question, that is question number 2. What you have to do here, you have to find the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers. A part is 2 consecutive numbers. Consecutive means in the continue numbers. So HCF of 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 and 3 have the consecutive number as HCF is 1, because both are prime factors. So HCF is 1. So here come to the B part. For the even numbers, consecutive even numbers, so we know that consecutive even numbers are 2 and 4. So this have the factor 2 into 1 and this have the factor 2 into 2. So 2 is the common. So HCF is equal to 2, right? Here these are the prime factors. So 1 into 2 is the factor of 2 and 3 having 1 into 3. So 1 is the common factor, therefore HCF is 1 here. Now come to the C part, that is odd numbers. So odd numbers is 3, okay, odd numbers is 3 and 5. Okay, so here factors of 3 is 1 into 3, factors of 5 is 1 into 5. So common factor is 1. So HCF is equal to 1 here. So this is the solution. Okay students, let's see. This is the question number 3, that is the last question for exercise 3.6. So here it is given HCF of co-prime numbers. These are the co-prime numbers. 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. So we know that co-prime numbers having HCF 1. Okay, that so here it is the composite number 4 and 15. So here 2 into 2 is the factor and 1 is also, if it is not given, so you can write the factor as 1 because it is the factors, not the prime factors. Okay, and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Okay, so here there is no common prime factor. So HCF of 4 and 15 is 0, it is given. So that is the answer correct? So that is not the correct, because if it is 0, HCF is 0, so whole multiplication will be 0. Okay, so that will not be the factor. So answer is no. The answer is not correct. The correct HCF is 1. So this is the last question. Okay, we had the HCF is 1 because it is the co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime numbers have only factor 1. So I hope you understood up till here. In the next video I will cover exercise 3.7, that is based on HCF and LCM. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.